Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Is your Pushcut app crashing unexpectedly? Let's troubleshoot and fix it. First, what you gotta do, force close and reopen. So first, close the app, right? Let me close the app window and reopen it again, okay? And basically see right here if the app crashes again, okay? If the issue persists, move along to the next step. Check for updates. Go out to your apps on Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version, because crashes might happen due to bugs in the app. So make sure that you search for shortcuts in your App Store or Google Play and update it to the latest version. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear the cache. Go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. Go to the general, locate iPhone storage, all right, and scroll a little bit down till you pin down the Pushcut. Yeah, go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna offload the app. Pushcut stores temporary data that might cause issues. While there is no direct option to clear its cache from within, deleting and reinstalling the app will reset everything without affecting your cloud synced data. So offload the app technically and reinstall it once again with your information kept safe. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna check for your device storage. If your device is running low on storage, apps like Pushcut can crash. So make sure that you check general iPhone storage and free up some space. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to your screen and you're gonna delete Pushcut by clicking right here, delete, and delete the app and re-download it again or reinstall it again from your app store. Once you log in, your automation will sync back. Next, what you're gonna do, restart your iPhone device. So you're gonna go back and go to the general, scroll a bit down to transfer or reset iPhone, or you can swipe down to your control center and shut down your iPhone and reboot. All right, a fresh reboot can clear up temporary glitches causing the app to crash or many other apps. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Follow these steps and your app should run smoothly again. If you found another solution, share it in the comments. See you in the next one.